So how many vacancies are there, who can apply, and how to apply? All of your questions will be answered in this video. So it is a contractual post for the 2 years as per the norms of university. So you don't need any experience, कोई भी experience की आवश्यकता नहीं है. But age limit is a alarm. 18 to 27 years is the age limit. Hello everyone, welcome back to Jobsly by Academically. An exclusive vacancy is there on your way from the Ministry of Home Affairs under the NFSU, National Forensic Science University. Over here you will be getting an exclusive salary with a level 5 pay and the best part, a government job. So how many vacancies are there, who can apply and how to apply? All of your questions will be answered in this video. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि आखिर ये जो NFSU की जॉब है इसमें करना क्या होगा और कौन कौन एलिजिबल है. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पोस्ट लाइक द जूनियर ऑफिसर, सीनियर ऑफिसर, लेबोरेटरी साइंटिस्ट, लेबोरेटरी असिस्टेंट. सो लेबोरेटरी असिस्टेंट जो पोस्ट है, फॉर दैट यू आर एलिजिबल इफ यू आर बिलोंगिंग टू द बैचलर, इफ यू हैव अ बैचलर्स डिग्री इन फार्मेसी, दैट इज बी फार्म, एंड your major role will be investigation, academic training, and lot of maintaining integrity and compliance so that the research goes well, all the laboratory schedule is functioning well. All right. Moving forward, the job description I've already told you: sampling, handling, documentation, right, indenting, all of the minor cores are included. Total there are 24 posts with a level 5 pay, and the title of the post is laboratory assistant. The recruitment is direct type. There is no as such separate examination. But yes, if there could be a direct skill test, if there are more applicants, there will be a written exam. Okay. If there are good number of applications, there will be a return test. If there are limited number of applications, there will be a skill test. Skill test is basically oral viva or OSCEs, where they ask you the clinical based, case based scenarios, basic information with respect to your lab, right? Basic good laboratory practices, so on and so forth. So it is a contractual post for the 2 years as per the norms of university, and for 2 years you are required to be into the institute. Required qualifications, as I mentioned to you, a bachelor's degree from a recognized PCI approved institute, and the people can be from forensic science, pharmacology, if you have a master's in pharmacology, and pharmacy, biotechnology, everybody. So if you have friends who are belonging to these different domains, share this video with them, because ये वीडियो उनके लाइफ को बदल सकता है. गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट में नौकरी मिल सकती है उन्हें, एब्सोल्युटली. सो यू डोंट नीड एनी एक्सपीरियंस, कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस की आवश्यकता नहीं है. बट एज लिमिट इज अ अलार्म. 18 to 27 years is the age limit, which is relaxable for the SC, ST and PWD category. You need to fill the application fees, rupees 500, through the platform. The link for all of these is in the description box. Quickly go, press on the link, check it out, and this fees will be non-refundable. So what are you waiting for? If you are hoping to be into a government institute, and especially NFSU, one of the esteemed and prestigious forensic science institute, then this is an opportunity for you. Stay connected with Academically, Akram sir and Payam sir for more such upcoming information, updates, recruitments and notices.